what will be the learning outcome of your this much topic which you have taught. Secondly, it should be measurable. Our course is B.Ed. What is the learning outcome of the doing that course of B.Ed? Then outcome of unit. Unit means in B.Ed, if we have taught psychology to the students, what will be the outcome of that unit?
That the benefits of learning outcomes are that it will make better understanding for the students. It will increase their skill, efficiency, critical thinking. अगर हम लर्निंग आउटकम प्लान करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली उनकी स्किल, एफिशिएंसी और क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इंक्रीज होगी. So we should plan the learning outcomes of the student, then develop instruction material.
Heard about learning objective, you must have heard about, now you have come to know what a learning outcome to some extent. Learning objective was the proposed work of the teacher. What teacher have planned for the students, what the teacher is expecting, that treatment of the students, that after the completion of the chapter, what the student have come to know. 100% student will get something. That is teaching outcome. Then there comes a word that is learning indicators. What are learning indicators? Learning indicators are the checkpoints. These are the checkpoints that from where we come to know that how much is the change in the.
So as ma'am has already gave you the differential and very good definition of the outcome. The learning outcomes are the specific statements which the learner will specify at what learner will be able to know, able to do. Now when teacher is creating the lesson plan, writing the learning objective as well as the learning outcome, then these qualities should be there in the learning outcomes framed by the teacher. For example, first one is that learning outcomes should be measurable and accessible. Very important. If we are training the learning outcomes, they should be such that they are measurable and accessible. Now how? They are asking the questions to the members that how many members are there in the family, how many male members are there, how many female members are there, how many boy child are there and how many girl child are there. So when they will survey all the locality, then they will calculate the percentage also that per thousand or per hundred how many girls.
Outcome. Learning outcome are measurable achievements. This is also one of the features. These are measurable achievements. These can be divided into small parts. These are measurable. Outcomes we can measure. These are quality based. And measurable achievement of the learner that the learner will be able to understand after learning is completed. After the completion of that activity, only outcomes can be derived. Now, let's talk about the objective. When we started writing in the very beginning, we were not very clear about the objectives. What if the students are able to solve those questions? That is the output of the exam. And what will be the outcome when all those students, when going to the market, they are able to purchase the product, they are able to calculate, they are able to manage how to deduct, how to add and less. That will be called as outcome. I hope I am clear to everyone now. Meaning of learning.
Grants, grandpa.
The reason to end the story, why we go for this, why even if we name a person, why we name this person like this way.
What is the outcome? Outcome is that out of those 200 students, how many students are able to use their previous knowledge? The knowledge which they acquired till +2 class. How many of them?
शुक्रवार मेरे हिसाब से आउटकम बच्चों में ये आएगी कि वो पंक्चुअलिटी सीखेंगे, समय की पाबंदी, अनुशासन में रहना सीखेंगे, बिहेवियर उनका कुछ चेंज जो है नहीं वो स्ट्रेस होती है, वो टाइम पे क्लास में आते हैं, सुबह स्कूल टाइम पे आते हैं, या अपने नोटबुक्स कंप्लीट सब कुछ टाइम पे करते हैं।
टॉपिक पर आपने भगत सिंह का, तो सब तो पहला बच्चों को पूछा जाएगा कि भगत सिंह कौन है। भगत सिंह के जीवन तो बच्चों को की सिक्ख्या मिलती है। भगत सिंह एक क्रांतिकारी सी, उन्हें देश ਲਈ की कुछ किया, देश ਲਈ उन्हें की मतलब अपना योगदान पाया ਤੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਆਜ਼ਾਦ ਹਾਂ। ਇਹ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਹ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਭਗਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ।
ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਆਲ। ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਨਾ, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਲਿਖੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ, ਸੇਮ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਫੀਲਿੰਗ ਮੇਰੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਫੀਲਿੰਗ ਹੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਬੱਚੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹੋਇਆ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਾ ਚਾਅ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਬਾਜ਼ੀ ਜਾਨ ਦੀ ਲਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਤੁਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਮਤਲਬ ਫੀਲਿੰਗ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਦੇਸ਼ ਭਗਤੀ ਦੀ, ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਲਈ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਗੁਜ਼ਰਨ ਦੀ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਫੀਲਿੰਗ ਟੀਚਰ ਐਸ ਵੈਲ ਐਸ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਏਗਾ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੀ ਆਊਟਕਮਸ ਆਉਣਗੀਆਂ। ਮਤਲਬ ਦੇਸ਼ ਭਗਤੀ ਦੇ ਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕੁਝ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ।
of their locality. For example, हमने सभी स्टूडेंट्स को रॉयल सिटी में भेज दिया क्योंकि हमारी डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन भी इंक्रीज होती जा रही है पर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। तो हमने रॉयल सिटी में सर्वे करने के लिए भेज दिया that how much people are living in each house.
The poem personifies a cloud that acts as a mother to the earth, a nurse to the plants.
हम खुद अपने ओपिनियंस, खुद हम अपने जैसा चाहते हैं वैसे अपने यहाँ पे रूल चला सकते हैं। तो बच्चों को ये पता चलेगा कि डेमोक्रेसी एक ऐसा रूल होता है जिसमें पब्लिक ओपिनियन को, पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट को और पब्लिक वेलफेयर को कंसीडर किया जाता है। दिस डेफिनेशन इज गिवन बाय अब्राहम लिंकन। अब्राहम लिंकन की वर्ड्स हैं जो दी हुई है
As this is the exact definition of democracy, democracy of the people, by the people and for the people. It means when the teacher is going to teach the chapter of democracy, this is the beginning of the democracy. At that time, this is the starting in 6th class we are introducing activities.
So no. So learning outcome is a very vast area and it is basically teachers' feedback. Whatsoever you are doing, whatsoever you are conducting there, doing with the students, working with the groups. After that, how much is ready? How much you have actually put in their brains, not the memory but the understanding and then the execution of the same information. Are they really using it? Yes or no? So very nicely done. In between they talked about Bloom's taxonomy. It was there in one of your slide. That is really good. In between, whenever you have time, I know everyone is busy in today's world, but then also keep on reading something. We all have mobiles in our hand all the time. Yes, I am not saying that always be glued to the mobile, but then also, as we are not only the homemakers, we are the homemakers, all females or whether gents or ladies, we are the homemakers. But with that, at the same time, we are professionals also. Yes or no? So when we are professional, we are to upgrade our skills.